Now exercise number 2.2. Find the zeros of following polynomial, quadratic polynomial, and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. Question number 1. X square minus 2x minus 8. So students, we can find the zero of this polynomial. For that, we can take p of x, means polynomial of x is equal to x square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. So, we can divide middle term with the help of third term. 8 multiplication is 2 4s are 8 plus 2x minus 4x is equal to 2x. So, our splitting is x square plus 2x minus 4x minus 8 is equal to 0. Now see that here we can take as x common. So into bracket x plus 2 is remaining. In the second part we can take minus 4 common. So x plus 2. Now see that here x plus 2 is common between them. So remaining thing x and minus 4 is equal to 0. What is the meaning of this? X plus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0. So now 2 is coming to right hand side. So plus 2 is coming here, minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2. Same way, x minus 4 is equal to 0. Minus 4 comes to right hand side. So x is equal to 4. So what is the meaning of this? 4 comma minus 2 are the 0 of this polynomial. Now we find the relation. For this we can use alpha plus beta is equal to, what is alpha here? 4. And what is beta? Minus 2. So 4 plus minus 2 plus minus minus 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So 2 by 1. What is 2 by 1? Coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. This is called the relation of the zero. Same way, alpha into beta is equal to 4 multiply minus 2 is equal to minus 8. So what is minus 8 by 1? Constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Now 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. Now we can convert into standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c. So 7x comes to middle and 3 goes to last. 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Now polynomial of x is equal to 6x square minus 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we can divide middle term splitting. So 6 3s are 18. We can divide 18 into 7x. So 9 2s are 18. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. So 6x square minus 9x plus 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. What is the common thing here? 3x. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. 2x minus 3. And here 1 is common. So 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3 is 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 or 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now 3 going to right hand side. So 2x is equal to 3. Now 2 here going to denominator. So x is equal to 3 by 2. Same way 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. 1 is going to right hand side. So 3x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 1 by 3. So what is the meaning of this? 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 3 are the 0 of this polynomial. Now we find the relation. For relation we can write alpha plus beta is equal to 3 by 2 plus minus 1 by 3. So 3 2s are 6 is the LCM. 3 3s are 9. 2 1s are 2. Minus plus minus. So 9 minus 2 is equal to 7 by 6. What is 7? Coefficient of x. And what is the 6? Coefficient of x square. Now alpha into beta. 3 by 2 multiply minus 1 by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. Plus minus minus. So what is 3? The constant term, and 6 coefficient of x square. Now question number 4. 4u square plus 8u. So p of x is equal to 4u square plus 8u is equal to 0. So see that here 4u is common between them. So 4u is common. So on the inside u plus 2 is balance. It's equal to 0. So 4u is equal to 0 or u plus 2 is equal to 0. So 4 is coming to denominator, u is equal to 0 by 4. And the integer 0 divided by 0 is equal to 0. And u is equal to minus 2. So 0 comma minus 2 are the 0 of this polynomial. Now relation alpha plus beta is equal to 0 plus minus 2 plus or minus minus 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2 by 1. What is 2 here? Coefficient of x, and 1 is equal to coefficient of x square. Now alpha into beta. 0 into minus 2 is equal to 0 into any integer with 0, multiply with 0 is equal to 0 by 1. So what is 0? Constant term, and coefficient of x square. Now question number 2. Find a quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as the square, sum and product of the 0. Now question number 1, 1 by 4 and 1. The quadratic polynomial is denominated as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and its 0 is alpha and beta. So sum of alpha and beta is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 4. Now what is the formula of alpha plus beta? Minus b by a. So minus b by a is equal to 1 by 4, and product of the 0 alpha beta is equal to alpha into beta is equal to minus 1. Now what is the formula of alpha into beta? C by a is equal to minus 1 by 1. See here minus 1. So here we are multiply it 4 by 4. So 4 into 4, 4 ones are 4 minus 4, and 4 ones are 4. So what is the conclusion of the 8? A is equal to 4, B is equal to minus 1, and C is equal to minus 4. Now we can compare it with the quadratic standard form of polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, then 4x square minus x minus 4. Now next question. 0 comma root 5. The quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and you know that there 0 are alpha and beta, and we all know that sum is equal to 0, and here product is equal to root 5. Now sum alpha plus beta is equal to 0, minus b by a is equal to 0 by 1. Alpha into beta is equal to root 5. So c by a is equal to root 5 by 1. So what is the conclusion of 8? A is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, and c is equal to root 5. Now we can put the value in a quadratic general formula, ax square plus bx plus c. So x square plus 0x plus root 5. So here 0x no need to write, so x square plus root